In front of me is Redmi A5 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Following that, select Open under Google over here and click on Google Password Manager. Finally, you can select the password you wish to edit, click on it, enter your current login method and hit Edit button. Then change whatever you want to. And when you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!